Hello everyone, here is a tour of the lifts at Christchurch International Airport. And now to the first lift, which is over by the international arrivals / baggage reclaim area for international arrivals. And this lift is an OTIS Gen2 MRL Asian style.
Star Alliance would like to announce the departure of exit 5176 bound for Chirstchurch North. And invite all customers to board now for departure gate number 14.
This is a lift at Christchurch Airport. It's an OTIS Gen2 MRL lift. 21 persons or 1600 kgs. It's got the American voice on it. Cab view. Got a rather nice cab. Oh, green. Go back up to level 1. So I know this isn't my best film, but I haven't got a lot of time because, yeah, 1600 kgs and 21 persons. Here it goes. And that's it.
And now to the next lift, which is the glass lift in the middle of the airport over by the food court on level 1. And this lift is another nice OTIS Gen2 MRL Asian style. But even though this is a glass lift, unfortunately you can only see the car park from this lift, but it is still a nice lift nonetheless though. So let's ride it.
We have another OTIS Gen2 at Christchurch Airport. This time it's a glass lift. But I stand back here, you can see out the doors and the indicator at the same time. Yeah. We are down at ground. Can see up the shaft. Go back up to 1. Watch out the window this time going up. Sadly, the only thing this lift on looks is the car park, sadly, so there's not really much to see from it, but you can still get a bit of a good view from it. Right now we'll just go back to ground one more time, then we'll get out, so I want to go and ride the car park with its next. Yeah, down at ground. You're welcome. There it goes. And that's it.
Right, so now before we carry on with the rest of the lifts inside the airport terminal, we're going to come outside and go into the airport's multi-storey car park. And now, and first to a set of OTIS Gen2 MRL Asian style lifts, and these go up to the airport's offices, but unfortunately these lifts are inaccessible, so I couldn't ride them. Anyway, so now we go to the main car park lifts, which are a set of 2 OTIS Gen2 MRL lifts from 2006, and these lifts, unlike the rest of the Gen2s here, are not Asian style Gen2s. These are the very awesome and rare New Zealand European style Gen2s. So let's ride them.
But then you do keep interrupting with the last one.
Got some more lifts at Christchurch Airport, this time in the car park, and these are European style OTIS Gen2 lifts. Sold in 2006, 2000 kgs of 26 persons. It's a bummer they don't have a button beep. Watch this indicator going down this time. Going down?
Yep.
Ground?
Yep. Thanks.
love the nice blue buttons, as you don't see them too often. Rather basic interior, but the ceiling is nice though. Tell you what, when we're here, we'll send this lift down, send that one to ground, and we'll try and get the other one. So there, as that one goes down, it's a red call button here. Yep, it's coming up. Yep, there it is. Go to ground. Again, 2,000 kgs or 26 persons, installed in 2006. Oh, great, we're stopping again. One. Guys going down or?
Yeah, fire that into this one. Sorry.
Yeah, there's loads of room in here.
Jump up one, mate. Thank you. She's warm.
It is, eh?
Yep. And a couple of hot ones.
Yep.
That way.
Cheers, mate.
You're welcome. Watch this indicator this time. Oh, we've got a red button here. Got a blue one here. Watch this button here. Here we are back down at ground. There it goes. And that's it.
Right, so now we're going to come back inside the airport terminal and head over to the lift that goes down to where the turboprop planes are on the ground floor. Now, this is actually a set of 2 lifts, and both of these lifts are OTIS Gen2 Asian style MRL lifts, but one of these lifts is a service lift and the other lift is a public lift, and these lifts also serve an extra floor, but this is staff only though. Anyway, so let's ride them.
The right hand lift is staff only, so let's ride the left hand one. This is another lift at Christchurch Airport. It's another OTIS Gen2 MRL. It's Asian style, it's bigger than the other one. Capacity 740 kgs or 23 persons. So we can only go, so we can't go to level 2, but we can go to level 1 though. It's got a fairly basic interior, but it's still nice though. Here we are back at level 1. There it goes. And that's it.
And now to the last lift on our tour, and this is the lift inside gate 15. And this is the only lift I filmed in the whole airport that wasn't an OTIS Gen2 MRL lift. This lift is a Schindler 3300 MRL that just goes from level 1 down to gate 15 on the ground floor. Now, just a quick disclaimer, this lift is technically airside only, and the only reason why I was able to film it is because my flight left from this gate. So, yeah, it was just a quick one-way ride in this lift. So, yeah, let's ride it.
This is just a quick ride as this lift's right by my gate. Okay. Schindler 3300 PRL. So right by my gate to Rotorua, so yeah, this is just a very quick ride. 1,150 kgs or 15 persons. There it goes. And that's it.